In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Eventbrite event invite only. If you're hosting something exclusive and want tight control over who can register, here's how to do it on desktop. First, open your browser and go to eventbrite.com, then log in. From your account, open your event dashboard and select the event you want to manage. Inside the editor, look for the Publish area or the Event Details page. You'll see a section labeled Privacy Settings, sometimes shown as Is your event public or private? That's where the access controls live. Change the event to private. When you do, Eventbrite gives you two invite-only styles. The first is anyone with the link. With this choice, your event won't appear in search or on your organizer profile. Only people who receive the private link can view the page and register. It's simple and fast, but remember that links can be forwarded, so share it only with people you trust. The second option is a password-protected event. In this setup, guests must enter a password to register. This adds an extra layer of security. Choose a password that's easy to type but hard to guess, and share it separately from the link. Once you've selected the option that fits your needs, save your changes so the privacy setting applies to the event. After enabling invite-only access, it's time to send invitations. Go to Invite and Promote or Open Manage Attendees and select Email Invitations. Add the email addresses of your guests, write a clear message that includes your event link and, if needed, brief password instructions. When everything looks right, send the invite. From this point forward, only the people you share the link with can access the private event page, and only those recipients will be able to register. If you used a password, they'll need to enter it before checkout. Before you finish, double-check the event is saved as private and preview the link in a private browser window to see what guests will experience. If anything looks off, return to Event Details or Publish and adjust the privacy settings. That's all you need to make your Eventbrite event invite only on desktop. Set the event to private. Choose between link-only or password-protected access and send email invitations to your guest list. With these settings in place, you'll keep your registration controlled and your event experience focused on the people you've invited. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your event.